So let's get out, we go and hear from the complainants. Me, I'm just doing my oversight. It's not true, then I drive and go back. I will have wasted document resources. But if what I'm saying is true, then I leave it upon you to decide. I'm not going to arrest anyone. It is you to either arrest or to be compromised as the DPC. I think that is.
Honorable, as you were coming, yes. The RPC called. And when he was calling me, I was actually at that time in RDC's office, together with the deputy RDC, the assistant RDC, the security team. We're already getting feelers of calls, complaints. At that point, we had got from that Olim, Adwari, Alango. We had already picked those ones. And by the time the RPC was calling me, we were actually setting up a team. RDC is moving out, we're moving out. But as other people calling, we also, as we speak, we are open the general inquiry file on this matter. The GF. That's what they also say this So we are going to, using that GF, we're going to do just like you said. The guidelines are here. The complainants are here. Yes. We're just going to pick from them their statement, then we act.
But I request, if they are still having that money, this money was meant for campaigns, they have to produce that money as soon as possible. This evidence you will go and find from there. There is nothing like taking long. If it is arrest. If it is recovery.
Honorable, they know. The things is here. We have already RDC schedule. The figures are here. The people are here who are supposed to receive. If somebody knows I'm supposed to receive this, like you said, it's supposed to be 100 and I've given 50. It is clear. So where is that money? That money should be produced. Yes. So honorable, we're going to act.
I will appreciate.
We're going to act.
Because
actually, I should have also already moved, but because we were coming, I said let me hang around the radio as I'm talking to the people on radio as I wait for all those stations. Once you come, he lets me know. So yes,
and every village in Otuke out of the 519 are supposed to receive 220,000. And the breakdown is 50,000 to NRM flag bearer. On top of the 50,000, the flag bearer is supposed to be added 10,000 for his or her transport. Meaning a flag bearer is supposed to walk away with 60,000. NRM chairperson of that village OCL at the district is supposed to be given 10,000. Then there are 5 women at the village level. They are supposed to be given each 10,000, 10,000, that one rounding 50,000. Then, as Muse has always said that politicians have no money. In fact, for us, we don't have money. So our father felt it necessary to support his flag bearers with 100,000. So the 100,000 is supposed to be given to the voters. To the voters in the names of baraza. After talking to the voters, they're supposed to be given 100,000 for their sodas. Even the 100,000 is not supposed to be for the candidate. So whichever candidate they have given 50,000, the 50,000, they said 50,000 that they have given you, it is not your money. You're supposed to give your voters. Your money, it is 60. Now, as a member of parliament, I'm not complaining. These are the complainants. Yes. If what I'm saying is true, it is them to state their statement, because I will not have time to come back here or to go to any court. When a DPC, it is what made me left my bed at 4 to come here in respect of our president. The State of Nation address was stated very clearly that this year It is the year of Team No More Sleep. Kisanja No More Sleep. 2, Kisanja Zero Tolerance to Corruption.
Thank you very much, Honorable. Honorable, we had a brief in office. We have already opened the gender inquiry file.
I appreciate it.
Swiftly. The good thing that we have already started. In the morning, like I briefed you, already picking some feelers, and we're promising to go out. But since you're here, we can start with this group, and then we move.
Yes, sir.
Honorable.
Well, thank you. Honorable, you're welcome. Good afternoon. Thank you, Honorable, for your coming. As we talked yesterday, I had we were for our meeting in Lera, but I started getting some mixed up somewhere. I got from Ukwete, and I was able to address it. Of course, I was taken by the meeting. And in the evening, when you raised me, I started making follow-up, calling all the issues to verify which sub-county has issues, which one has issues. So I was able to do it, and I was expecting that. We have Assistant Commissioner here, who is active with us, but the rest of the team are in the field. So that's actually what we have done. They are actually doing inquiry per village, per sub-county rather, how they have been actually catered for. So that's what we have of now. We had agreed for police to open the GF so that we base ourselves on that. We get the all issues.
From them, Honorable, we are going to take it
in writing.
But you want to pick from them?
Of course, they have
Yes.
to pass here.
Yes.
Public outcry. Let it be per sub-county.
Anabedo Kelo Morris, Okwang Sub-county, about where Paris, Adwari village. Abedo flag bearer, one teacher Marco when Adwari. Ana no machine to me up a beach. Am I signing at the Fettuccine? What chairman Patina, Moloni Wilson, who don't. Eka jo ameda otemi dog to me up a beach, but at a meta Marco. Ngana bela chairman NRM me village to me up a beach. The dog la hachiel. Let me you mon a par mon a beach to be 150. So now receiving do you want teacher do you la hachiel to me up a beach?
Meaning his balance is 120.
Yes. Chena no one.
70,000 your balance.
Yes.
For your village.
So I signing just month that do you signing 10, another signing 50, a teacher signing 50 mere to be 150. So chena no la hachiel to me up a beach. And I tell you gago.
Who you stop
Yeah.
you are?
And I'm a winner.
Okay, one to kill one.
Adwari village.
This is
Adwari
Okwang Sub-county.
Okwang Sub-county. Bon with Paris.
Olim Sub-county, Anaberu Kalajo Mukal. Warni, the Chame Chente, Chaho Poco. Yanabera can lay NRM Olim Sub-county. One come, take a one in district. You may Chente, the villages, your bishel we are big. Mon, when you tell me to me a PRB. I got chairperson no mouth flag bearer, and Metechu, me to me a PRB. Chairman party, tell me to me a pa. Sub-county Molim, do villages at here, do Tenukala, yellow to me a pa. You want to take a like yellow. Dinamotino Lim Sub-county, you know.
Last year
So,
to me apart.
Chamotio Penyo, one compared to Hagero. It could be in Kitajoti, Kitomia Kera, take a local Lim Sub-county.
This is Olilim.
Yes.
Hey.
Your Molim, where are your room? Room Sub-county, a war, Niabro, Don, Ambrose. A very chairman party. I may tea sub-county more room. I may one teacher may award your pocket in the I wore a Chalababu chairman party. Chairman Dan Woro, not all literate chenne. Take Kobe Wani, Geometry Mitakuja Camona Beach. Kede chairman of Mamma plug, my chung a Chalba LC1, NRM. Chairman party pay. Chadu and Kokitu, tell look at your. Take up Johnny Chen and you me chena mona beach to me a parapa. Mon to me appear a beach. I gotta go need you me a chen me barja to me appear a beach. Take on LC1 na me teach you, you me a chen mere chilling to me appear a beach. Chena me a word you and me you go molo room, and chairman man are what here. Chen Jeremy, no. La chel to me appear a beach. Ana temo penyu pi kope wani party, wani chairman party. Teku ni ginamo yu pi ro petie. Da re dol chi ate dok kwa yu.
There was Olilimo.
This is Okwang Council.
Okwang, then Olilimo, is it?
Lima stop the head
Is
of
Alango.
So I also had something.
What?
Okwang.
Town council.
Town council. Siya manu me atutumia pira beach. The plug bar. Otem me atutumia pira ngwen. Ni me mobilization. Otem me yomon killing tutumia pira beach. Siya wana no eno. Siya ndekari ukibela.
You need to pick this.
Okwang Council 140. Alango, where there were issues.
Anya lone tila hari abeda lungon kompati na iko molalao Alango Sub-county aworo umiyo plug beara tutumia pira bich eka mona metia chung umiyo tutumia para tutumia pira bich eka uwe kome party di umiyo tutumia pira bich oko ni tutumia pira bich gin kwany megi ye tutumia para manguri bari jado tutumia pira ngwen manguri ni Alango aworo receiving chene la chele nushu eka chairman eko ni chene moro jomie executive men sub-county poke ja bich tutumia pira bich women council kama iting tutumia para.
Was that on the guideline for 25?
So total chain the gamma 150 dushu.
150.
Saya ne wa heta mata wota ni
Mani woro baro da daro
ane ko ni nya woni
God.
Is that is just a creation for meeting
System here.
from the system.
Ni abera lol JB anabedo chairman NRM le parish meti Orum Sub-county abedang flag bearer me wang ticha mo luoni taw boke awori wang tichan kana chel kiro mon le lor wang tichan ana gamo chilling laka chele tutumia piara yo chilling tutumia piara beach omian imono bedo merana mama ko flag chilling tutumia piara beach tomi yu chairman NRM me wang ticha ahore kwanyo chilling tutumia piara yo otemi yu mon ariyo mocho yete party me NRM chena woro mi yu eno yu mon le parish chene ducha motuni wang ticha chela chel dushu te kitanu miero tun kede po tuno kete nuoni te ki mono choye monariyo te party omiyo pi mono ete chene moro kera mo karo kuno petie na he yu go ducha loro tangwara da tikere ngata tikere won koma tangwara kan gini dushu tiye kitu pete kano pete chene moro mo karo kita me guideline no tia ko bukede temo penyi yore ducha pola popat wugi won koma mo ra poko chene pe ye ko bugino kan me wugi komi me na ma mo binu amobino me kine me gamu chenne da jono rer chako tichi chil tuna pier big ko kuche wando ka chalo jo ma ko flower luongo ro bero ke di pero bino chene ko no do he wanti peti unu ke dikitu peti unu kitu chako lo ke jore mu mot jonde ni an so gina woro te maren no iyo goda point fa
Na jo.
Oh, is a where?
Where ana tie? Gwede is it?
Saturday they said there was an issue.
Ana bedo kaka John Kennedy. Fi bad job sub-county. Yena wana woro no. What chairman party head bad job sub-county. Wang ticha chela chelo tero laka chele piera big. Pe bad job dujo. Amenu ana maka black barasi. Tutumia piera big. Chairman party piera big. Eka likamon tutumia piera big. Kuno wara para bodmon.
So chairman party ni me wang ticho mi akari piera.
Mi piera big. Ko kwan piera ngwen.
Wang tisheme o gwere gine wang
Goro si.
wang tisete di.
Wang tiche yo ti piera ngwen.
44 villages
Yeah.
in this sub-county.
Yeah.
Orum Sub-county pira big.
This is
Only lim to Pierre Bicharabi. In 65.
ana bedo dana me gwere nyew ku tijoy woro ana bedo kaka gamu chende actually ana bedo flag bearer pe on kama chel chena wana gamu dushu pio gwere chela ha chele tutumia piera beach
ame obuko kede presa duong ya chaki won kom NRM ogwera wise sabano community ka tutumia piera bich pe flag bearer so joka na chape wano te wor kede chime wa smartphone te nyute jama me jochwale malo kucha eko ne kati kito twar med dok tutumia piera bich pe mona bicha bicha cha wano gam wano te ko ne to mete chene me baraza piano ko dangi tie tengwe dok pa re ko bi wo moyo do chene me moro ka tie tekele jo so chene wano receiving dusha woro obero ka la chiel ke tutumia piera bich
For the whole sub-county.
for the no each village one of the villages piera bero we are there. Yeah.
So you got 150 times 73.
Yeah.
Otuke Town Council was well handled.
Where's Olilim Town Council?
Olilim was had issue.
Olilim Town Council.
Orum Sub-county.
No, we are not raising issue, and he was the one crying.
Village.
Adwari Okwongo is on the way coming.
Olilim Town Council.
Ogwete.
Here around. Which is around.
Tutumia piera beach. Out of the flag bearer tutumia piera rio. Gina tobo kobaeno. And he wanted to come and testify, I don't know. You'll be doing any attorney. Gina winning you to hit and cancel.
Total how much?
So all the cells are demanding them 100. They're supposed to
Cells here, the town council.
Cells the town council.
check 160.
Honorable, we can start with this one.
Yeah, we can start with this.
Convias. Cells to town council.
Atora chiel look at tech.
What you know about the
What you bought a doing look. Nga rom look a bit. Nga either lebla or lemon and papa. I can translate after. Atubero pahotego.
An Abedo Kelo Morris, Okwang Sub-county, Kwenadwang Lobo, Burie. Wang teacher Lone Adwari LC1. Hana tikere wang it Adwong Party, Hotela Wame Party, Adon, Shaki District, the word Sub-county. Ikaro Karangate, Messian da Omasho Binusha. Don't know me wala ha bishel tutumia piradek repok waka la ha bishel pa bile ja chara chiel so akwaya duonglo me yabuwan me ko beni wana chwa ko movement yore modu bana chwa ko movement 2001 ya wang put parabilu ginore no me to be lichente ni el jure cham chen na ko so na akwaya duonglo me yabuwan me ko beni copy com corruption no en ko bili lo yini lo nyaki copy com party pe lo yin ko ti daga men again unyo me parliament again bunge wa ku tuhedo samo chana bunga la chin wa cha jo chamo apera wan amani wan tin mo Okwang Sub-county ama adong lo buri yani ti jo kena me mon cho e county jade ka ken chin giti kwen wana me chairman mo Okwang Sub-county mi wa sente no kape pokemon mo Okwang Sub-county du da duong ka kop dona ni turu bari ona ro lokiri wang nuwa ko binya duong lobo ya wan so aduong wana ko yiri wan poru chung kedi na ya giki donc ka de position la wa nu pera joni me district nyome Sub-county en ayoti on bal pe wan me plug beara hana be plug beara mo lo kelo Morris o yaka a twag movement a dip ala boya tek ba me pol mi go dong lobo
Inite worry news catcher because I want to pass my message to the Oteder. Yes. Kede wara duong amitunia duok watch go to ba mochio polo kede lobo ate po yo aduongwa His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni pimara mera determined enti kede kom Oteder me Uganda tini ni ndwe piario wi adek ana ringu me wopo yo chiente amejo mio obol queer ducha meti yutuhe kwacha boru bol queer meti yutuhe ni flag bearers wa me NRM yini neno wunu kita wanu puru kede mwa hokaro idwe ma dek chempo check joni pe kede chiente Aduong timo ber or wang tich achiel mekeli wulaha achiel ni wuni mar wunu soda iboli wunu tino mere kwir amo bedo flag bearers. Udong iguma rach ka utino ni po wili wu soda po bedo balo tino ni po bedo bala President Museveni. Obedo bala jomora mo chamo chene ni Okwai district. Do wanu kwa yuni kachi tunu uni boli wunu flag bearers me NRM kwir. Chene ni wan mako Jona duogu chene ni wano making sure ni podo keli wu chene wu me baraza iwang tich. Pe mi wunu patoke ne kwir. Mi wunu NRM kwir. Beduno kara chiel kera duong lo. Pienti jama pola me poda binu. Kwacha enu boru pewe hunu ngato maho flag bearer me pewe hunu flag bearer me NRM moro kikeno oho mi wunu kwir. Mi kisha mahu kare do romo kuwa jo chami Uganda agik. An kuwa na hariki jo chami NRM utuhe tini ni dong agik. Yadgin chamo tamo ni ngata loho pe. Enti chawani ni bei guma mopori ko mutuhe. Chawa dushu abinu bedi district kan meneno ni gina mo binu piate der mo tuhe binu bedu piate der mo tuhe. Bai polo medi. Kwa you expedite the process of recovering this money. Because our people need this money to go for their campaigns. Giving them this money after election is just like doing a postmortem. If any of these people fails an election, we shall account those people for their failure. Because if they had all this money, no one competing with them would even defeat them. But their failing will be accounted on those ones who will have eaten the money. I say this for God and my country.
As officer of this district, this morning, I think we had a consultation meeting together with the district police commander, together with the DISO, together with my senior RDC, together with the deputy RDC, together with another assistant RDC, of which we have agreed to swing into action by arresting whoever have touched this money. The DPC is here, the DISO is here, and any other person can confirm that we have decided that whoever was supposed to distribute this money and the money has not reached the intended beneficiary is going to be arrested. And as we speak now, the CIDs are already ready to record statement, and our senior RDC, the assistant RDC, and the deputy RDC are already in the field. And I believe you have accorded them some escort for security. They are coming back with those ones who have eaten the money. Yes. I can assure you. Yes. Thank you.
So gina ko miro tim na machele yu duhe one for meter mule.
Yembi do you?
Yembi do. Angom for me ni kuchena NRM ene mo miri tak milum ya dulo da yere. We kami wo ko ngome ba yer I wang teacher ni no abanga ngombeti. De chani kana ngombeti kana ya pressing en. Wang teacher nu uchojo pira biche. Ngombe de no yinga dan woro pe por du nu jono na pe ko ni jono na pe jan jo line de nu jodi bi jo pe de ka gen de mi ka jo pe de ki chen de u ti no ga no ko tu chen
ama ni na u mi ringa ta wara te chen le wan jo ame mi ro ko wa bero jo ame cha me wara beri ya te kita uni bi no ke wana bero go chi Misappropriation jo kana ano jo kana lor bino kan mostly ko lari jo bero chairperson me pata wo ma ro chiding siete geno no ko bi ke sign in kana kan nem nama chimegi duit pede te mo wal eto gino sign in tene o mete gin tie ngeyo tre committee chene gina ka me mi cho doge me kwan gini yo ko wan do da mi am ge du so wato ko na kare gin po ye bi ko wuna char jo no mi receiving mu tiente ni wuna ne bere we gi tiente gin ka no jo me gini teri wu so ka wun pe no chede te ber ke lor me ko bongo me ko choice ta me kan me ko ya pa no chen so me wana ko yo ni sa ko do kan do do chen wana tu mo ko ne Johnny duty sako di Johnny for me chena me chara
da cha kwa yele ku ano ruere NRM daru chairman NRM e ko bi chairman ne ko ni mir be ba chairman party ni ruwe kitu Aye le pin mi ba ngwa bi ji de ko be. Inu le ba me be chairman party. Te penya de ko bani chairman. Kya du ti ko lokere. Ko ninu facilitation no ra ko ni no. Te yenga we. Te ko bani amani chani lokere jo. Imi jo nge kitchen na ngo jo mi bi no kere wanti. Wani chairman party. Ma langa woro. Chairman party maro mo tuni go mola. Yeno mo ji kene ro po kene kene.
Chwani pete nge chene jo miyo gititira rach. Out of chende jono kwalo. Joni ka peda ngo miyo gikanye la chela.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.